Argus produces a bolted body configuration of their valves. In these cases, the entry cap assembly is a closure-style cap, complete with a pressure alert valve. The operating procedure for the launching mode is completed in a few simple steps. First, open the bypass valve. Fully close the pigging valve and open one of the vent or bleed valves. Second, confirm that the valve body is completely bled down by removing the pressure alert valve stem. Argus has also built in safety redundancy with the groove that is on the male threads of the entry adapter. Once the cap is disengaged and swung out of the way, the pig restrictor is removed. Third, insert the pig into the valve nose down. Replace the pig restrictor and thread the closure cap back on the closure adapter. Put the pressure alert valve stem back in place and close all bleed valves. Using the integral pressure equalization line, remove the safety pin and depress the EQ line lever, which will introduce upstream pressure and media into the valve body. Replace the EQ line safety pin. Finally, open the pig valve into the flowing position and close the bypass valve. The pressure equalization line plays an important role in the easy and effective operation of the pigging valve. By being able to introduce the pressure from the flow line back into the valve cavity, the differential pressure across the ball and the seats has been eliminated. This reduces the wear and tear on those components and extends their service life, while also reducing the amount of torque needed to operate the valves. In addition, it minimizes the wear and tear on the pig, as the pig leaves the valve in a more laminar pattern, instead of aggressively mousing its way out of the valve when it opens. The operating procedure for the receiving sequence is as follows. First, open the bypass valve. Fully close the pigging valve and open one of the vent or bleed valves. Second, confirm that the valve body is completely bled down by removing the pressure alert valve stem. Once the cap is disengaged and swung out of the way, remove the pig restrictor. Third, remove the pig from the ball cavity. Replace the pig restrictor and thread the closure cap back on the closure adapter. Put the pressure alert valve stem back in place and close all bleed valves. Using the integral pressure equalization line, remove the safety pin and depress the EQ line lever, which will introduce upstream pressure and media into the valve body. Replace the EQ line safety pin. Finally, open the pig valve into the flowing position and close the bypass valve.